Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here with more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This one is going to be a lightsaber sound effect. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Pretty cool, you know, Star Wars, there's laser swords, and they're so awesome! So, what I'm going to use for this is this. So it's not actually a lightsaber, but by the time I'm done doing my sound effect, you're going to believe that it actually is. The sound effect will be that good. So let's play that lightsaber sound effect. Vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Master Destroyers. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, oh, vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm Mace Windu, bitch.